Hello, this is MMO Gaming. It's not really, but it's Matty out of MMO Gaming. I'm pretty sure. So, if we are good to go, we are good to go then. I'm here by myself. Robbie sadly could not join me in this episode of Prisons. So, I have been mining a little bit, just using stone pickaxes. But I did make iron pickaxe. Like, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done. Right, okay, if I died there, Robbie would have been like, what is life, bro? Right, so I'm just gonna go and do a bit more mining or slay some things in the cafeteria. Actually, I might try and go and pick some things off in the auction house. No, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So yeah, I'm just sort of gonna go mining for a bit, gonna do some stuff. I need more food. So I'm gonna go and slay some cows and try and get some. Actually, I could get another $1,500 dollar in my pocket. And that means I will be I'm on $0, so I just need to mine cobble or mine anything I can find. I'll pick up a cheeky bit of coal too. Another cheeky bit of coal. Why does nobody mine iron and coal? It's like, it's the only thing that you can find. Nobody mines it. There are no kits available yet. So, is there going to be a kit? That is the question. That's so much smoother. Might just go for a level 1 enchant on my pickaxe. Mario. Coal. 2 pieces of coal, a piece of iron. Another. So I'm on 6 pieces. Not 7. Not too bad of a start to the episode, eh? If I do say so myself. Hello everybody, my name's Morgan Green. I've been working on my Morgan Green impression. And it's pretty damn good. I'm not going to lie. Well, it does sound good in my head, but I'm not sure if it sounds good out loud. But hello everybody, my name's Morgan Green. So, yeah, 15 pieces. Not bad, eh? Not bad, eh? Swagalicious. Swagalicious. If you could see my face right now, I'd be like, true. I love you. So if you were one of those lucky people who saw my video before it got deleted off YouTube by me, because I couldn't live stream because I needed to download some stuff and I had to restart my laptop and blah blah blah, which I will do later. So there is going to be live streaming, but it's just gonna be hard than it would be on if I had a headset, but I don't have one on and I can't be bothered to go and get mine, so just they're just gonna have to deal with it. Auntie. English. Oh, that was actually quite a big bit of iron. So yeah, oh damn, damn. Flip. If I can make it before the mines region all the way to the top, which they did as I came, which isn't too bad. Just pick that up. Why would you come to this mine if you've got a diamond pickaxe? It sounds legitimate. Used to control. Ooh, this piece of iron there. Blocklet, find iron. That's my strategy. So yeah, basically start for today. Just get a little bit more iron, maybe another 10 or 3 or however many I find in this pickaxe. Should I use a whole pickaxe now? I give up, yeah. And then I'm gonna go and make some iron armor and some iron tools. I can't believe what I think Robbie did some work off camera. He's gonna upload an episode or something, and so he has like full iron tools or something. I'm not sure if he has any iron armor. Iron armor. So that one has the more. That needs 3 pieces. This one only needs 3 as well, actually. If I could count, I would know that. Let me just take F3. No, reset my chunks. Is it working? And then low. Don't think it's working. Almost just left my. I'm pretty sure it's not working, but. So 16 frames. So I am dropping frames like quick. Good. Well, that just happened. Left over, go back. Oh my god. So I'll go make 9 sword. And then I'll go and make not failed. It's mine tools. Make one for me, one for the challenge, one for the challenge I don't really need. I just need a pickaxe and a sword and I shall be fine. Or should I? I've got a little bit extra. Actually no, because I've got iron smelted. So yeah. I'm rolling in the high low. Don't know why I said that. Legit. Admit. Or if I just go like, and then I'll just go like, I should have a little bit spare iron, and I'll do some mining at the start of most episodes. But I won't need to make fresh armor unless I die. So it's just quite juicy. No harder with anything like that. It's only like a pickaxe, maybe. Or even a pickaxe that I might have to make. So this has been pretty decent. You know, I've done quite a lot this episode actually. It's flown by. It was like a bird. Roll. So I'm going to go and get some food and then I will end this episode. I don't mind pork as long as I don't starve to death. Yeah, I was putting on an accent there. And as you can tell, if you're from those parts. Just scoop all this guy's stuff up. Just kill it there. And there's cow. And that's my duty. Bye. Got full hunger this episode, and this has just been a really good episode. Bye.